Welcome to Math GPT. Today we'll learn how to convert from quarts to liters. We'll use the example of converting 1 quart of oil to liters. To convert from quarts to liters, we need to know the conversion factor. 1 quart is equal to 0.946 liters. Let's write this as our conversion factor. Now let's set up our conversion. We'll take our 1 quart and multiply it by the conversion factor. We'll write this as a fraction to make it clear how the units will cancel out. The quart units cancel out in the numerator and denominator, leaving us with just 0.946 liters. Let's visualize this conversion. Here's what 0.946 liters looks like compared to our 1 quart. As you can see, a liter is slightly smaller than a quart. To summarize, to convert from quarts to liters, multiply by 0.946. In our example, 1 quart equals 0.946 liters. This conversion is useful when working with recipes, oil changes, or any other situation where you need to convert between American and metric volume measurements.